Thikũ inya tu thutha wa maabithaa urigitani a gikiro gia clinical officers gukinyaniria wiguano wa uria magucoka wira thutha wa gukorwo magomete idini ya thikũ 25 kuri na uhotekeku. Maabithaa aya ni makuiga miro yao thi ringi agikorwo idini ria thikũ 2 agikorwo thirikari cia kaunti itigukorwo irutithitie wira ngirimiti ta uria maiguithanirie.
We have given 48 hours for them to think whether their decision is that of the interest of the poor Kenyans, or they are actually minding their own business, where every year they allocate money for promotion of healthcare workers, but this money disappear before the end, or rather the lapse of that financial year.
So we are telling them that we are putting them on notice, the Council of Governors, so that if the return to work formula is not going to hold, then that means that also calling off the strike, because it was one of the agreements under, is not going to hold, and we shall be going back on.
Murugamo uyu mweru wa maabithaa aya umanite na ndumiriri iria yarekereirio ni kanju ya mangabana aria maugite maya kuremwo ni gukinyaniria mamwe ma maria maiguithanirio ni thirikari nene na maabithaa aya. Muikariri giti wa kanju ya mangabana Wikiranirwo akiuga thirikari cia kaunti citiakuruhanirio miaro-ini ya wiguithanio, na hamwe na uguo maabithaa clinical officers thiini wa imwe cia kaunti matigite miro yao thi, na cio imwe cia kaunti ni ciambiriirie gwetha miario ya kihonia mbere ya mugomo uyu ucokete guteanirio.
That the Council of Governors participated and have been participating in the conciliation process, that realized the return to work for clinical officer by the multi-agency team that was set in place by the CS Labour under the Ministry of Labour.
By the time we were signing, the Chair Council of Governors and the Chair Labour Committee Council of Governors were fully briefed and gave their consent for us to be able to go ahead and sign this agreement.
Na maya makihanikaga miario ya gwetha kihonia kia mugomo wa manathi no uthiite na mbere iria kuruhanitie Ministry ya Ugima wa Muingi na Ministry ya Labour, na kuringana na mwandiki munene wa ngwataniro ya manathi ni Seth Panyako kuri na mweneni uhotekeku munene wa gukinyaniria wiguano hihi gugikinyiria muthenya wa rucio.
That we have covered everything. Actually, I am comfortable, and you know, when I speak at the General Secretary, and you know my position, when I'm saying I'm comfortable, I know I'm comfortable with what we have agreed on, and you will see it tomorrow.
Mugomo uyu wa manathi ukoretwo ho kwa ihinda ria mweri umwe, na hamwe na maundu maria manathi marenda thirikari ihinge mbere ya macokete wira ni kuheo indo cia kwigitira riria mararigita arwaru a murimu wa COVID-19 na mekirwa mubango-ini wa insurance gatagati ka maundu mangi. Maya mokite oriri andu 219 monekanite na murimu wa COVID-19 umuthi, na gukinyaniria andu 97,127 aria mari na murimu uyu guku bururi-ini guku andu ana magikua, na gukinyaniria ithabu ria andu aria othe makuite ari 1,690 na andu 100 makianirirwo kuhona murimu uyu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanjiru wa Boro.